when they say, oh, we have so percentage of crime rate,
yes,
what did it mean? It means a crime they go on.
Of course now.
They go on, Abi?
Yes.
Now, anywhere in the world where they talk, say their police good, their police good. They're not the rob for there.
They're the rob for there.
They're not the rape for there.
They're the rape for there.
They're not the kill for there.
They're the kill for there.
What's in difference?
Men, una know why now? Because now una be the major reason when make us they cheat. Women they cheat because some of their men they try. Ashawo and thief, which are better pass? For me, Ashawo better pass thief. You know we expect man when they manage, make he propose to you. When you know very well, say you be the type when you know they cook food for house, or you be the type when your morning, afternoon, and night food now for restaurant you chop out. The things where women they think about during sex, and you say most of the men don't know the exact thing when we women they think about.
Pidgin TV.
You understand? Before no be like that. The day free before I go just come out. If I don't want carry motor, I go just talk Okada. Okada. But now if they see your top Okada, they will say hungry, don't they beat you.
Ali Baba just that woman, they chase everybody will laugh. Now then they give them the Ali Baba. That's how they do Ali Baba and the 40 thief.
Which name is the answer before?
Yes, no, I know not my mouth of fair. Yes, say ring road fair they been before. I know did that.
Also, advert they mention the kind of disease where they cure. You understand? You go hear something like Oshe estimareo, Oshe estimareo, Ikondara funwe lasan, Ikondara fashion fifo. Hello, they can't mention all the disease they cure. Gbogbo kokoro ara gbogojo, gbogbo ide tí yẹn ò lè ra yìí. Ìyẹ́lá ìṣàká ẹ wá bí gbà lọ, ó fọṣọ mọ́ kì í jáṣọ ó ṣá, ó lè koko kì í jẹ́wọ́ òjàre. Oshe, but not be smart you. I tell you.
No go anywhere, but before you come out, I like to greet everybody. Agwalagwa monkey, Amande monkey, Erina monkey, Baba ni monkey, Baba mi monkey, Mama mi monkey. Well, later they greet everybody monkey go go. This one now Pidgin TV I dey watch. Make Isanu come out. If I come out, I come out my teeth.
Pidgin TV, just the talk.
Now welcome back. Of course, now Pidgin TV now nasty day, and I hope say those of una we be like say una just they join us now. Una self supposed to don't understand. Say when Pidgin TV start to be talk like this on top of a good morning show, na serious matter. Today we dey talk of OBJ versus GEG. That na Olusegun Obasanjo versus Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. And all of us they chook mat on top of the matter today. And of course we get Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki for his house. Himself writing own reply letter when he titled "If to say I be Goodluck Jonathan." Now waiting for tell Obasanjo be this, and he writing a letter. So we call and consider today, make him tell us because we serve the city. We don't read the letter. All of us we sit down here, we don't read them. And I hope say a lot of Nigerians don't read them. Like I advised before the break, talk say it good make people go read this letter, and see what's actually there inside this letter. Big John today here, and there are the divas today. Big John.
Why are the love you say? This our guest, he say in reply, say if na say him be our president. Yes. So since like say the president don't call reply now, people begin reply for him. Yeah, so but na good thing, because it shows say people dey this country when get this country matter for their mind. When so many things they pain them for their mind, they won't talk. You know, they won't talk their own, how the matter be. So when we see things like this, when people they say, okay, why Goodluck not reply this letter? Maybe Goodluck feel say, well, with the position, not be every matter in go the chook mouth. But at the same time, get the way in go feel still talk, for let people know say, yes, will not be saying keep quiet on top of this accusation. In no way in the do.
No, Dira.
As a matter of fact, the letter by Obasanjo write, the talk say Foundation newspaper this morning say President Goodluck Jonathan don't dey under pressure to reply the letter because people want to know what's in their mind. Like I said before, what's in their mind. If you don't talk amount, we no go ever know. So it don't begin the other pressure make because as it dey hot, a lot of people they expect say this don't come out since make a reply now so we go know who they lie for the matter. Who they talk.
All right, our guest today the house, Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you very much.
Oga, like what Indira just talked now, you say one newspaper this morning, the Nation talks, say Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, they under pressure to reply this letter. Now the question I want to ask you now, the right thing to do now to reply, I be good as the man keep quiet.
No, it's not good as the man keep quiet.
Okay.
It's not good at all. Say the man keep quiet. And I also feel say it did worse when we say he allow some of him people insult Obasanjo as it were. Nigerians insult Obasanjo. The majority of people in their Facebook and they vex say, "Oh, Obasanjo go write this kind of letter." So I feel say now, as the matter don't reach, if he reply now what you they call statement after the fact. Are you getting my point? That is what I feel. But I still feel say, however, it's still under Jonathan power to at least say something. Did I say something just now? He say make people not gonna think say he bless say the man. John talk just now say he go bless say may we know whether the man know wetin he did do safe. Because Obasanjo in spite say this letter harsh, he talk personal things. He sure say he get wetin he get for mind. He also show say the man know wetin he want. Obasanjo get right to want something. Me get right to want something in my president. I want light.
Personally, are they happy say they talk this thing now? Because what we want look into now the truth. You know, when Nigerians they talk on top Facebook and Twitter with this matter. Now make we look a big the issue of corruption.
Okay.
When the man point out for this matter now, Big John.
Yes, Chama, if you look this letter, because when they talk say this letter do this letter do that, but he gets some real issues.
Yes.
When this letter talk about.
Yes.
And if you read the letter well, he talk about corruption, insecurity, he talk about unemployment, he talk about oil bunkering. And we Nigerians, we believe all these ones now key areas.
Yes.
And to us, there be problems.
When
the president supposed to look into. So, Obasanjo measure these things inside this place. Now, make we put aside
how it is measure now.
Make we put aside even his own personal motive when he bring this letter come out now. Make we talk these issues because the day inside this letter. First, the issue of corruption. Some few months back, never too late, our president GEJ come on air for presidential media chat. He tell Nigerians say the problem when we get not be corruption. He talk am. He say the way he look the matter, he say we just say na according to the word when he use, say na passive corruption. Say not be say na corruption really be the problem. Say but we Nigerians just believe say na corruption everywhere you go, corruption here, corruption. So for him to talk like that, and for Obasanjo now to say
that presidential chat.
Okay.
I also dey privilege to dey where I did there. I no feel like to you, my brother.
Okay.
You see, when you become president, you get certain things. When we say you get how's I put that? Information, whenever I no get. But our president no fit change the fact say we know. International community know, because they call it the corruption index. You know, Nigeria na chief of staff for corruption index. Our generals when don't pass, we know say their salary not fit build all the houses when they get for VI. Our politicians now them it is even institutionalized corruption now. Say okay, we not go thief again. Just put the thief free. Join our allowance. Say ordinary councillor for Nigeria, they receive more than the president of the United States of America. Now that level we don't reach. So if our president talk that day, which I also remember what he talk,
yes.
Say the perceived corruption.
Yes.
Now I know it was say say no reach. Now he dey defend in government and in record.
But not the right.
But the best defense, you know, they say propaganda may not be waiting right or waiting wrong. Now waiting protect the best interest as at that time, moment in time. That be the thing when they go think about. Nigeria, our biggest problem now, people they go public office simply to, may I use the Igbo English, self-aggrandizement. To make, they won't buy their Mercedes big past my own. My house big past your own. I think carry 3 girlfriends, 1 wife. Now our governors, the true party for girls will win, big brother. You know, all those things, meanwhile, probably the ground. Are you getting my point? So corruption is a real issue when this man talk about. But me, if I be President Jonathan, waiting me for telling which I write for my own personal letter, say, no vex. Only one Jonathan and only one small time in office. I not feel rewind immediately 50 years or 60 years of corruption by close to 752,000 officials when in the federal level, among another 20,000 when in the state level, plus another 40,000 when in the local government level. Not be the man, not be magician.
No, but sir.
But you know, what I think, say in terms of corruption for Nigeria, whether we like them or not, it don't dey change. Let me explain. Now, before to thief money, not hard. I just to sign the paper. Fela Kolam, pen robbery. Now, with the new internet and e-banking and e-payment, anything when you pay, when you take, when you it is easier to check. It is easy for people to trace around. Money no just fit comot for government like before again. So all those people when they still they carry money in that way, people they pursue them now. We they hear who they see governor, they stop governor wife for airport, he carry $1 full bag. In those days, those things go waka pass. You get my point? It not go happen overnight. Not be Alibaba and the 40 thief. You get my point? Not be twinkle twinkle little star. It go dey happen small. Now we dey ask them question. Who won't ask minister before say he buy bulletproof? Would they ask them now?
Now, I want you to ask question.
Yes.
Now, another team you carry out that action.
No.
Okay, we asked Minister of Aviation,
yes.
Bulletproof car.
Yes.
Waiting that happen. She still there for power.
Yes. You see, I agree with you. Now mindset. The moment one day, one person, they don't need to sacrifice. Now Nigeria never say you must come out for power only when they sack you. Are you getting my point? That one not be say you be leader. It means say you go there for selfish reasons. So even if you wrong, unless they sack you, know they come out. But if to say we follow Facebook. All of us they Twitter. All of us they see videos for YouTube. We they follow Instagram. Person when they watch this program, they watch them from the phone. Person carry phone, broadcaster, see your show they tell them and say go and die. The level don't change. We feel never reach the end of the musical, but new song don't start. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Now, who you be before? Say governor they drive pass, or governor they drive pass. Me I follow fashion that Playboy on Sunday. 10 years ago, governor be like Egungun, be like Masquerade. But now I know say na human being, he go jack me, I go jack, and someone go kick. And yesterday, one boy, the referee, the boy is something I dig with. He give a yellow card because at that point, the boy not the see governor. They see person they play ball when he coming foul. But what I'm trying to say, what I talk for you, say, for the corruption level, corruption still dey high, but we not go compare corruption for Nigeria today. We will tell ourselves the truth.
So if somebody go ask you in plain language from what you're Obasanjo right now, you go talk say these accusations when in the drop now on top corruption, say he not supposed to drop her here.
Because for internet they talk say what be the moral right of Obasanjo to they talk many of these things.
Yes,
but
but not what we look here now.
No, I agree.
Yes.
You see, I want to point that one out.
Okay.
So at times you reach stage when old things pass away. He write down for them too, which is one of the good things when he write for them. Say the age when he dey now, not be the age when he go dey fear saying he go die, because he go die.
Yes.
Now age when he go make sure say wetin he leave behind, he go follow the anthem when he give us. Because now he write the anthem, 99 we write the anthem, you know. The labors of our heroes past shall never be in vain. me I write for internet one day say all the heroes past were actually villains. They are not in vain, they are villains. The labors of our heroes past make them into villains. That be my own. But for corruption level, Jonathan no fit do anything now between now 2015. Maybe we tell ourselves. Why let me explain. Corruption not be waiting, then they carry gun, they fight. Now mind. Before you to change corruption, you first of all change the people mindset. It to say start time from when you come in 2011. If it makes sense, say okay. So this is new, and it's easier for you to just legislate or let me use your dictate change. It to say na military government. Not be this government when we say to pass. Not be Jonathan problem that to pass budget na war. Simple budget na war. So the corruption accusation for you not be one day thing, but it to say start the process. Maybe we not tell ourselves lie. All this before you say Konjewala before you know many of the people in this one na say the Obasanjo they tell na so Nigeria, but right now if you see the level when people they accuse say that they happen for inside that her own office, you go fear. You get my point? Part of the oil bunkering when they talk about now part of the corruption. Now major part of the corruption. Because if you corrupt, they steal small money, it is different. Oil bunkering no be small money, oh. Not be small money. Person when you put hand for 100,000 liters of oil for only one day. You know how much the guy make? You don't make $10 million.
All right.
Just that day alone, banga. Gonna $100, more $100 a barrel.
Yes.
100, it don't make $10 million. That's it. That day, it don't make 1.6 billion naira.
All right, doctor.
Yes, sir.
This particular point when we bring come out now corruption. From the way you talk now, you self don't agree. Say yes, corruption day.
No, we not be agree. We not agree for Nigeria. Say corruption day. The person they sleep. So wetin me they talk be say the corruption now. Although Jonathan not they directly they do anything to stop am, but the financial arrangements all over the world now, yes, they make am dey a lot more difficult for anybody to steal money hide.
So you agree say directly Jonathan not they do anything to stop
many
corruption.
of the things wey dey here, the only thing wey me I better tell you the truth, make we
yes,
not lie ourselves.
Yes.
You see, you dey travel this country.
Yes.
Me, I dey Abuja, I dey Lagos.
Okay.
And I can tell you, for the past 2 years, anybody wey be my friend know say I no dey fly local flight. I dey drive. I drive Lagos Abuja, I drive Lagos Benin.
Yes.
I drive Lagos Benin almost every week and Lagos Abuja at least once every month. So I will tell you today now where the road wey they do for Benin or a road or Benin or a Benin Lagos road where e don reach. I go tell you now as we dey here now, say for Ikale as a Sunday they block half of the road because they do one side, but they no create alternative. So all of us go dey pass inside bush. We spend it now 8 hours. Now I take go from Benin to Lagos on Sunday. But I go Lagos to Benin on Friday. I spend 3 hours. We don't use life plan like that. You know, you get my point. The problem when Jonathan get, I still dey talk am. Say the few good things when they do, they know they sing the song. Maybe they hear.
Like what and what say.
I dey talk about roads.
Okay.
For example, road na very serious one when they do. I don't lie to you.
Chairman, on top of this road matter.
Yes.
So they do road mean say they not shop money on top of that road.
E get wetin they do for Nigeria, not shop money. Even for the BRT when they Lagos, they shop money.
No, but I know what
so
but if you chop, no, let me tell you for London, very no vex. You see, when you hear Halliburton, with involve Obasanjo big time that time.
Yes.
Halliburton, the scandal. Halliburton a company, yes, when we say the people, the main principal when be shareholder, now George Bush. And the former chairman of the company, now in vice president, what is that man name?
Ago.
No, not be Ago, the one after Ago. I don't forget, I remember his name now. You get my point? So not be everybody corruption dey. The only country when we say corruption, the hard way we say people they corrupt. Now places like Germany, places like Sweden, all those Scandinavia. But as we dey here now, the president of Germany He dey face corruption. They just resigned last week, 2 weeks ago. He dey face corruption charges. He's a human being by nature. They greedy. Now the way you take control your greed, to want something more, want more. Now they lead to all those things.
Now, sir, from what you just talked now.
Yes.
Which day Nigeria go reach that stage where they go try our president for corruption?
Yeah.
Say the man dey office, they can't try him just because when you talk that man dey office,
yes,
and they try him for corruption, and they go so resign.
Yes.
Which Nigeria will go reach that stage where they go try our president for corruption?
Let me listen to this one. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria talks say 72 plus about almost 80 people will not fit try them under the office. They call an immunity clause. President, in vice, all the governors 36, their vice, all the governors 36 plus president down of 38, president 36. Don't they reach 80? That is 74.
Yes.
I think they add the Senate President General. They add the Speaker General. That's why we say they wait. When we say they wait, immediately the Meji Bankole just finish. And then yes.
Now for this way,
at least they don't arrest and put for court try. Number 3 person, number 4 person
after I don't come out.
After I don't come out.
Now
for the gem neon,
this country.
the gem neon, the difference we say integrity. Now it matter. Pastor also mentioned over here. The gem neon, when they call the accuse the man, he get immunity too. Now the man take biro to say I not guilty. Now he take biro, right off in immunity. It's okay. I hereby waive my immunity from persecution. Persecute me, I resign. See, now for our country where we go dey look at, which I feel say Obasanjo suppose look at, say some of those people wey dey under Jonathan, because nobody don talk say Jonathan thief o. Obasanjo also talk so.
He never talk.
He never talk am. You know, like other president wey we dey get before, say he like now I know if you go internet, the day when Jonathan become president, the declaration wey he declare saying money wey he get was 297 million. Na the account. Na be money wey he suppose get. That one na money wey you need to take chop forever. Because if you dey chop 1 million every day, wetin you wan chop? If you dey chop 10,000 every day, that money go you no go finish am for 200 years. Na be the truth. So that one na one. Now for this corruption case, wetin me dey talk be say to hang Jonathan on corruption no be him o. Wetin we suppose hang Jonathan on, because we no even get wetin we take hang Jonathan on in the first place. When people dey contest election, they dey do manifesto. I know wetin I for hang Fashola on. One of our friend Tori Jola Adelawa, he carry beer before when Fashola win election. Now Fashola ask am say, Jola, what job is this baby now? Now he talk say, Your Excellency, you promise Lagosians certain things. You go do this, you go do that, you go rebuild this, you go turn Lagos to mega city, you go do this, you go do that, you will do Lekki street free zone, you create new towns. When you do am, I go shave. I'm not saying you not talk and hide. That's why they talk for television so. He said when the day you see say I shave, you know say you don't do am. A few months, the Diola carry beer, Diola Adelawa. We dey call am for club Tori. He carry beer for almost 2 or 3 years. Take all the hey. One day we just see am shave am. You know why I shave am? He look. One day just dey drive from Ateneo Ogusoyan. He never reach Ateneo Ogusoyan development. He say it no be express. This treatment we dey here before. Eric Mona Express. The other one na Express. Don't the other side. We know the level before now. You get my point? Wetin we dey vex for now be say the kind money wey Fashola come dey make us dey pay suppose dey make us get more, but at least we dey see say no be so Lagos be before. If you wan you know, just carry picture of that Lekki Express, take the picture. I dey travel abroad, we dey take I no lie to you my brother that their new bridge wey dey charge money e no good say dey charge money o I fit no happy say dey charge money but the first day I drive the bridge there is only one bridge in the whole of New York area they call am the Verrazano bridge na im hang like that then the San Francisco bridge they dey use am do film if you dey watch film they dey use am do film they just show you film they just show you that bridge bridge e no dey Africa that bridge na only na Lagos dey so I dey see say okay so e share me baby Jonathan the only campaign promise when Jonathan give us so that make we no dey say maybe I come here come defend Jonathan yes. No you no fit hold man for wetin he no tell you wetin you wan hold am for he run for presidency one day no sound bite no campaign promise the only thing we hear na Sam Okposo dey sing good luck for me good luck for you good luck for everybody yeah. So good luck there for everybody
okay
so we no fit hold am for anything now because don't tell us say he go do anything.
Okay, make I ask you now on this corruption yes. issue wey dey talk of for this yes. before we jump into the insecurity
yes
wetin be the positive thing wey Obasanjo right here wey you fit actually point out say this thing Jonathan dey guilty of this thing.
Okay no I no wan pass judgment which page be that.
No
the major this thing na page 10 I don't want to go page yes. 10 because
then page 10 and 11 sir.
Yes page 10 and 11
yes.
You see all the things wey dey here me because I no know I no fit pass judgment yes. For here he say as head of government the bulk of performance and non-performance stops on your table.
Confirm.
That one is correct.
Correct.
You get my point?
Yeah.
But you can't talk about LNG. You talk about LNG. You talk about, you can't do example with Qatar. You talk about local LNG means liquefied natural gas. Yes. You can't talk about Nigeria, which is the Saudi of Africa. Is now being overtaken by Angola. But if you look at where I went to the internet when I read this thing. Now I Google the people when don't invest most in Angola. You go shock. I don't know where they kill me. My son is just 4 years. And my senior daughter is just 11. But go internet. Look at major private investors in the Angolan petroleum sector. The names when we come out will shock you. Nigerian ex-Nigerian leaders own refineries in Angola.
Okay, which means whether
I not say Jonathan no.
I know.
Some of those ex-Nigerian leaders, all of them did this letter. All the ex-Nigerian leaders when they are among those lists, all did this letter. All. I not say one.
Now this letter, make sure this letter, you know, say it online, yes. And everybody for the world feel with this letter.
Yes.
Now, Obasanjo talked something here for page 10. He said the major international oil companies have withheld investment in projects in Nigeria. If they have not completely moved out, they are disinvesting. Now it means say the whole world don't see waiting Obasanjo right now for the international scene. How you think say they see this letter?
As Venezuela they fight rich, quarrel with America. Oh yeah, now waiting politics not the affect. Oh yeah, now instead waiting they cause coup. Gabon, Nigeria, Biafra war, now French oil interest. Our fight for Bakassi oil. The reason why America invade Iraq, in spite say Iraq not they support Al-Qaeda. Oil. Now poor man I really don't know waiting oil be. Oil be like say you just carry gold, plenty on a daily basis, but all black. Now be the singularly most important mineral in the world today. Now they drive car, now they do industry, now they drive ship. So for me, to talk say they are all moving out. If I make headline news now, because on a serious note, the World Bank has also showed the World Bank investment index that Nigeria don't grow by almost 140% increase in FDI, foreign direct investment. That is the truth. me and you dey here yesterday e no dey happen before oyibo comot or people come from where that one come from sef Indonesia to come study us na the fact say the man come he go employ Nigerians he go fly plane he go pay na investment you get my point but the problem now be all these people when they play all this oye you know say that they share and give all of us now say okay if you are from that oye community you go get small share maybe they give us small oye well maybe all of us no go dey vex we go know the story nobody go dey bunker if e free for everybody to fit look for money invest put no I don't believe that one no be I no believe say that one
no true. That one na just for oil I use oil for example.
No, I don't believe say there is oil say in Nigeria say that the
not the green invest.
No.
Let me leave oil now. I'm thinking of general business like agriculture,
yes.
Education, yes. Private investors coming to
Nigeria. The problem is to say the man talk education now. That one will touch me. Because until Jonathan and what do you name? What that man name? Yaradua. That be the first Nigerian president when go higher institution. Including your passenger yourself. Although I was really can go polytechnic. You get my point? Finish. So education na problem. And Jonathan for that level, God bless the man so he don't fail. No matter how he try reach, students dey house now, he don't reach, he don't near 1 year. If we cross this year now, it will be maybe the longest single strike. I be also financial secretary before. It will be the longest single strike when ASU don't ever carry out. That one is true. In 2011 in particular, 83.7% of Nigerian children when do SSC and NECO either fail English or maths. Meaning that less than 17 out of every 100 pass. That also be the highest failure rate for tertiary for secondary school exam for this country.
All right, sir.
So for us to get person when go university get PhD, not to know. Let me say you already get in ASU member before. Not to know the enormity of this level of this problem. It is sad.
It is sad. All right, sir. We could jump into the level of insecurity now for the country. Nobody will talk say they don't aware of this fact. Say insecurity. The country, especially for the northern part of Nigeria, we be say Boko Haram just the bomb, like say a normal thing, then it happen. Now, if you check the letter, Obasanjo also talk about this insecurity and he mentioned Boko Haram for like 4 or 5 places for this thing. He can also talk, say, the way this man they go about fighting Boko Haram, say no be the only way. Say get other ways where they for fit take fight this Boko Haram. What will be your own personal opinion on this particular man? Yes.
They say smoke not there without fire. And me, I not see Boko Haram as insecurity.
Okay.
Insecurity for me, armed robber, kidnapping.
Okay, that's not because the Boko Haram not affect you directly.
No, I did not say it pass insecurity.
Okay.
Insecurity for me now, we not visit for 9 days. In 2011 December, when Boko Haram 2010 December when Boko Haram bombed that church on that Sunday, Christmas Day, I formed one group online. Check out www.takebacknigeria.org. Many people join. You know, but I say we just talk. We never know that time say you go reach this level. Boko Haram be like tree when whole day. They say if whole not day tree, ants not they enter. Many ants don't enter. They use Boko Haram till they do other things. And I feel say President Jonathan where he fail here. Now he be saying, if not me, I will call immediate conference on Boko Haram. Make everybody talk. You get my point? Because Boko Haram get house. Boko Haram get village, they get brother, they get sister, they get family. Now, unfortunately for us, we did this country when our own picking of maybe one of the richest Nigerians, former chairman of First Bank, enter plane. He won't go bomb plane for America. the Boston bomb. You get my point? Small boy. That was the first time when the problem of terrorism involving Nigeria and direct. 2 or 3 months ago, 2 Nigerians who were not born, they're not born for Britain, they're Yoruba boys. They carry cutlass and axe for street for London. Catch soldier, tear am, open, carry phone, recorder. Because they ask ourselves, now the guy cut now the Nigeria be this. The Nigeria when we grow, or for those of us who are in the Lagos, or when they do Delta, and all those places. Now country where we say, even when fuel scarcity not dey, we dey buy fuel. When bank go on strike, we dey spray brand new note for party. Internet first talk say we were the world's happiest people. Where that happiness go? So where me feel say I won't use the word F up, but not good to talk that kind of for president. Where him for no handle and where. Now from beginning, you foresee the end game. Obasanjo na soldier. Soldier man foresee the end game. Say the way this thing they go, who they give them gun? Who they give them all these things? Then you go look the immediate security problem when it just happen for Africa. Now there the president not show leadership. He not show knowledge. He not show awareness. He not show say see this thing will happen. You know why? Me I say. Okay. Listen to this one. January 2011, Tunisia started the bomb. A week or 2 later, he entered Egypt. A month later, he entered Libya. Meanwhile, Libya don't preach how they will make the whole Africa want to colonize everybody. Meanwhile, we know, say Libya share common boundary of almost 1,000 kilometers with Niger Republic. Then the whole north from Borno State, the edge of Borno State, the end of Sokoto State, we share one border with that same Niger. Saddam Hussein children run comot with their own army, with arms and ammunition. They face Niger. Now where they dey Niger, now they capture one of them. Now people when they Niger, now the same tribe with people when they Daura for Katsina. How you want to stop and make no cross? Now they say tribe man. Meanwhile, no fence for the border. Anybody if you waka go waka come. So that one you go see problem go dey here. Meanwhile, before then, people don't dey argue over militancy. This one we first get my Tassini. We come get the other one Kaduna. All these ones dey ground say they fight as small. Election dey come. Our own election just happen. People dey vex, whether we like them or not. People dey vex. But that na Yar'Adua na yesterday. People dey vex. 2010, if I remember clearly. Because Jonathan our president, he don't just become active president finish. Yes. But Yar'Adua don't die. May 2000 or March 2010. 2010, October 1st. Al Jazeera said they received letter. Say they go bomb Boko Haram, not Boko Haram. MED go bomb Abuja. MED not only stop there. MED even write letter. They send out to all media houses, all of us get them. So we go bomb on the day of October 1st. Then the night, midnight, down midnight, Jomo, whatever. Yeah. Send another email. Say, look, anybody when get sense, avoid every empty dustbin within 100 meters of that same Eagle Square. By the time the bomb happened, now only Al Jazeera, now you get the footage. You know why? They look the letter. See, this thing could be true. They say Nigeria say men don't end. They go inside bush, go inside creek. They come record people still be maimed. I get my point. Yeah. So Al Jazeera come the whole venue. They put a camera around the whole place. So if you happen anywhere, So when the thing happen, people, the children, they march. They now hear, I didn't say I would be truck of AIT. You never, until you see death, you know. That's why I thought it not be insecurity. Now state of war. Because war will not get pretty face. No matter how they spell war, if you spell them from back, now raw. War is raw. Now bad thing. I feel say waiting the president get to do now. Now to call people like this Obasanjo, when you don't fight war, teach people to fight war, learn war, no gun. What did Jonathan know about gun? Now what did they tell him? Now if you look at now, General Azazi now be former, now be the former head of NSC, the one there. Yes. Now they bring in Dasuki. Yes, Sambo Dasuki. Yes. Sambo Dasuki don't be ordinary person. In Papa, now the former deposed Sultan of Sokoto. Yes. He don't be former ADC to Babangida. He be military person when he go school. And he dey among the elite for northern Nigeria. But I still feel say Dasuki not be the right person when Jonathan for put. You know why? Every Southern thinks every Northern Hausa. You have to study, you must study the history of the relationship for North.
Doctor.
Yes.
Doctor, make me not first say I caught you here.
No, don't take it.
Because this matter now. We dey talk about the good things when this letter carry.
No,
we don't talk about.
Ask me about insecurity.
Yes.
And Boko Haram.
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
As you sit down, we don't talk about corruption.
Yes.
You not give us anything about how Jonathan don't fit tackle corruption.
No, I thought.
But what did you talk? Be say the corruption don't dey there for long.
Yes.
So not be waiting Jonathan
will do one
go
night.
fit. Yes. Which means na sit down look. I call that.
No, I not talk so.
No, now me they talk am.
No. Because you now you be public figure now.
Yes.
Once you talk say na sit down look.
Yes.
You don't dey lead people.
No. We
in
don't.
one line, me I don't wetin I talk for that
yes.
one. Not be Jonathan cause corruption.
Yes.
Number one. Corruption wey in Nigeria over 50 years.
Yes.
Not be wetin Jonathan fit clean it 2.5.
But I ask, say
finally,
wetin he don do?
No, I say even if he do, he not do.
Yes.
Corruption on a massive scale.
Yes.
For the ability, for the power when they thief money, for they move money, he not there again. Whether you move or whether you not move, you know where you want carry the money go.
But now what trend?
Now yes, I'm saying that is whether
now what trend now not be because of Jonathan effort.
No, terrorism not be with what trend.
Now what trend?
Jonathan carry terrorists say okay, call of na peaceful, I wan give you terror. Who said as America secure rich, as America bomb rich?
Yes.
They not there when Akada drive their own plane. They not drive another person plane no. Enter the two most important buildings when they America.
No, as is that time America not dey work.
When they work.
We not dey see the actions that they take.
Which action did they take?
No, that they front the crusade against terrorism and the whole world they see.
Okay, may I ask you now?
Yes.
No verse, relax. The tactics when Obama and Bush use.
Yes.
Now it be the same tactics when Jonathan they use so. It's called the Scotch earth policy. Okay. Oh, una attack us, okay, bam, we face una. But may I ask you, seriously, Al-Qaeda, you know the Iraq. The Al-Qaeda when go out there Afghanistan, don't come out.
Yes.
All of them, they are all over the world now. Boko Haram no be anything. No. One man the priest say, "Mock na not go school again." Police and soldier cash am, give police home. Police kill the guy. May we not forget the history of this thing. Now, the third time, not because the person will be president na Satan. The person will be president when this one happen. Now Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. All the other people now gang up, say okay, we now kill our leader. That be the beginning so. But the Boko Haram we dey talk about today now, he don't talk to something else. He don't talk to Al-Qaeda.
Yes.
In northern Nigeria.
Now the terrorist people now they come pick that name.
Now I tell you say if no day tree, yes, ants not the entire.
But we fit block some. That, we fit block some.
I can tell you one thing now on a serious note. Yes. Seriously, the way before they declare the emergency, the way the Boko Haram do, no be now. In those days, let me not vex. For Abuja, we all dey go, they just block everywhere. Boko Haram, bomb one plane. In those days,
Yes.
Abuja, we dey waka, Boko Haram bomb United Nations building. Boko Haram bomb police headquarters. That is the National Police Headquarters, IG office. Boko Haram, the guy went planner, they catch him for inside Governor of Borno State guest house. They carry and come out as police. They carry and they go. Other police went there with them, inform other police. Oh, now Jonathan comes down. Say, look, as they carry them go one prison for Abaji. They overtake a bomb everybody. They seize the guy. The guy escape. Now catch him again. What I'm waiting me they talk. They say now the Boko Haram with the here. They bomb their own state. They kill their own children. Let's be frank. The Boko Haram now used to be a scourge in northern Nigeria. You must know, say northern Nigeria, the territory of northern Nigeria is bigger than the combined countries of Benin, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Togo, Sierra Leone, and Republic of Benin.
Yes.
Combined. So not be small territory. Northern Nigeria is almost 2 times the size of Ogun, Ondo, Oyo, Rivers, Edo, Delta, Cross River, Enugu is more than almost more than twice the size of the whole south 17 states of the south. You must know that one. You must know, say from Lagos to Abuja is 9 hours drive. But please know that from Abuja, which is supposed to be the capital of Nigeria, to Maiduguri is 17 hours drive. Sure. So make we get am clear. Borno and Yobe and Adamawa by themselves big pass almost half of the countries when they Africa. Now they have been able to limit damage limitation. The only problem now be if you notice the way this people they do now, unlike the coordinated attack when they get before. Now desperate attack they do now. Don't enter market to go bomb inside. Nobody fit stop that one. The only thing when they will do, the war when they supposed fight now mind war. Now they tell you, not be war of gun, because war of gun no go solve am.
And now I'm waiting on Obasanjo stay for the letter.
Obasanjo not stay
the
that
war
one
of gun alone.
Oh, see,
the war of gun alone.
Look, listen, my brother.
Yes.
You don't hear what you know one boy they call Timaya.
Yes, of course.
What be in first song when you know?
Actually, that you say with the Bombo D.
No.
Say the Bombo D.
Yes. No, what be that song?
Then kill them mama, them papa.
Them mama, them papa. Thank you. You see, you not go blow whistle with one mouth. Come they explode. Say that same. They say don't. I want to be. I don't know how to say that. I feel walking way. You not feel sneeze whistle at the same time. You see, you dish one hand to one person. Police enter one town. OD, small town. Cause wahala. People go there. We not going to kill one person. Hey, because Obasanjo moved tanks. I was maybe one of the directors of the first president, of the major presidential charter that one. And he tell the BBC reporter. The BBC reporter kept telling him, you know, there was mass murder in OD. Obasanjo versed on air and say, and what about your Prime Minister Blair? Is he not killing people in Northern Ireland? You see, Northern Ireland, now what did they happen for Boko Haram? Even for 30 years, the British government, they had to contain IRA, the Irish Republican Army. The only way now, you get to sit down and talk. But the problem now be who to talk with. Now problem. What do they talk say now? Make we not vilify. Make we not crucify Jonathan for war when Jonathan not cause.
But sir, if the opinion of the people generally,
yes.
Now the fact say just because say people don't die before,
yes,
no guarantee say okay maybe people they die now, make the right steps. People not take.
No,
people must cry out.
No, my problem.
How we justify say people don't die before?
Nigerians,
so people they die now. Nobody talk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now them really this thing they are fed.
Yes.
Now them now they look up to somebody in the mirror to say, Oga, why you not do this? Why not? Because
who be the them?
Because one thing when you talk now,
they look up to our commander in chief of the Federal Republic.
Doctor.
I don't confuse you.
No, doctor.
No, I say I confuse.
No.
The confusion wey we get now, you don't say masses.
Yes.
You mean me?
Yes, people of Nigeria.
You?
Yes.
People of Nigeria.
Yes.
Okay. The problem when Nigerians get now because the Boko Haram when we did the war, Boko Haram wahala.
Yes.
Now it just also be like Iraq. We see them for TV, we read them for Facebook, we read them for newspaper. Wetin me dey talk be say, first of all, you get to engage people. Who be the people? I hear one time say Jonathan they approach Buhari sef, and that one say he no gree. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Who you go meet? Obasanjo call Jonathan Ijoma for here. And so you call him Ijoma. You call him president. Yes. So if I be Ijoma, I go happy. So how this Ijoma now go take talk to the Shua Arab and the Kanuri and the Kanebon, the Borno man or the Bogu man when come from Yobe, or the man from Potiskum, or the man from Damaturu, or the man from Gashua. How you go take talk to them?
Sir, if we check this matter very well,
yes.
Obasanjo state for this say make Jonathan not dey portray himself as president of the Ijaw people. Say he be there beyond that level. Say na president of Nigeria.
But for the same letter, Obasanjo say make him the president of PDP.
Yes, at the same time. But now, what we even dey talk now? Because for what you dey talk now, it sound like say it dey impossible for Jonathan to relate to these people because him and they probably not they speak the same.
No, that's not what I mean.
Okay.
You see, I felt for the beginning say Boko Haram get family, get house, get
yes.
people.
Yes.
Are you getting my point? When Boko Haram start, Boko Haram wasn't against Boko Haram. Just make I quote Azazi. He said Boko Haram are the creation of PDP. Remember that level?
Yeah.
Talking for
That's an individual.
Yes. No, not as an individual. He was a national security advisor.
Okay.
That is the #1 security person for this country. Okay. A former chief, immediate past chief of army staff.
Yes.
Chief of defense staff.
Yes.
Nobody know person in terms of that level.
Confirm.
It's an PDP problem. All of us know about Ali Monguno and Shetama, Ali Shetama for ANPP people for there. Then those ones might be the beginning of the cry. Boko Haram don't attack deputy governor for there. Boko Haram don't run enter mosque, one blow up Shehu of Borno. That is the #2 Muslim for this country, which is next in line to Sultan. What do you mean they talk? We see until the people when it come from there volunteer to take part in the settlement to talk to Boko Haram. Jonathan of his speaker do anything. May I give you one example? Anini enter Benin. Then they bring people. What Babangida did that time, just okay. If I send Benin man, go Benin, he just remove all the deputy IG, he remove the commissioner for police, he just send Pari Osayan there. What did Pari Osayan do? All of us for Benin know the story. He just go over palace. Say, I don't come, don't send me home. And any day our house is home. They begin, so the job they do campaign for Benin. Say the shame, Ramona help us remove the shame. If you know where they talk. Now any babe where the Benin get for off 30 secular there. Put her in for say, hey, my boyfriend do. But she Papa don't talk. Now people they give him. I will tell somebody say, I'm in my house. I hope say it's not the story.
Yes, no.
What I mean is say it can happen. It happened to Shino Rambo.
Now this from what you talk.
Unless the northern elite and the people of that tribe area, Adamawa, particularly Borno and Yobe, who used to be one state. Adamawa, Borno and Yobe used to be northeastern state, while Borno and Yobe used to be Borno state. They know themselves.
So, sir, from
doctor, sorry, yes. Doctor. Yes. You not think say the matter now don't pass like that. The situation when they grant now don't pass with you they talk now.
Where you go
because
pass,
our president, this thing when you talk now when it's supposed to take starter, he not take and start. Everybody, every Nigerian knows say when this problem of Boko Haram start, our president abi our government whether they go sleep we no know not until when the problem don big na then they come wake up begin send soldiers carry gun use fire brigade approach so this one you dey talk now say
no you dey skip the history now John
no
I tell you something no not vex we dey this country
yes
Jonathan offer the amnesty
then na after the thing don go e don go far
go where
after e don big when e start na we dey talk so when this matter start the bomb church here bomb here I remember in 2010 2011 Jonathan go always say no problem in 2012 by June this matter go end we enter 2012 na bombing throughout this 2013 they don still bomb for inside 2013 if the state of emergency wey dem declare na to remove the governors patapata like Obasanjo did to put soldier there you know to say go better pass when the governors still dey there dey control money.
You don talk I see that was some very eminent Nigerians that day when they read that broadcast when he finish I tell my oga say no I say no sir this is not an emergency rule this is political militarism and as I take call am again an emergency rule by definition by political definition political science definition na the total takeover
of the state
of the structures of governance
wetin those governors dey do there now
so na there be the political militarism
and who dey implement this kind of thing now who dey talk about
na the governors and the military people
no I mean
no not put the military people because na the decision of the government na the military dey follow
I agree you say you dey implement
yes we go implement am because in that case we go for na Obasanjo do that thing
yes
so now who suppose do am now
no you mean who suppose do that
emergency
no Jonathan
so why he no dey do am
no you see let me tell you see let me this last you see government I never did government before
okay
but sometimes I feel say government na people when we say when they go they will carry their brain they will put them inside bus lock am because thinking different from political compromise political compromise na situation wey be say if I do am like this e go scatter more or may I do am like this or this maybe dem Obasanjo sef dem go dey in the know all those people know I no know but for me declaring state of emergency in those areas I feel say e come little late number two when they wan do state of emergency they do state of no urgency
the urgency no dey
because the people wey get problem for ground the Boko Haram go write letter say their major problem first and foremost na the governor
okay
I hope you know that
yes
2011 they talk say na the governor na dey pursue that was the beginning say na governor the governor not of Yobe of Borno state today they say they try I tell you just now they try bomb the deputy they try bomb the emir the shehu if to say I be Jonathan now if to say cannot be Jonathan I don't know the problem the man dey face half measure na bad measure be like person wey get HIV they treat am with Panadol na be the thing you see if to say you wan do emergency room emergency they pursue them until they enter anywhere they wan enter because these people now we dey talk about people wey be mass murderers for here now first of all no matter wetin first you see Niger Delta own that's why there's when we say Niger Delta difference
yes
the major difference be say there was a reason to fight na our oil na our land see pollution see see no water no light una never give us a percentage they no dey give us at all so the reason dey to fight whether they correct to fight different from whether they get the reason to start the fight even Mandela when he joined ANC 69 years ago he no dey fight when he reach 1957 56 they call am the Sharpeville massacre when he reach 1956 the government no gree here after they don dey struggle now they come say okay maybe we begin fight una eye to eye eyeball to eyeball an eye for an eye na dey form Umkhonto we Sizwe spear of the nation. Now they start the fight before they come arrest them. But now that fight, I joined that fight small myself. What is this boy name? Tunde Yuba and Jude Aurora. We were going from secondary school to secondary school. Every capital city of this country, they do Wosabat and Sizwe Banzi is dead to raise money. They will just pay us small money to raise money for South African Relief Fund between 1988 and 1990 when they released him. So what I mean be say there was a reason to fight. Now those political reasons to fight, you know, they Boko Haram.
Confirm.
We don't know their ideology. We don't know the why. The why some people not go school. Boko Haram, book is haram, book is forbidden. Meanwhile, they use internet to broadcast to us. They use Kalashnikov, AK-47.
Okay, all right.
No,
okay,
so
before we enter the reply now, because we want to enter the reply.
Yes.
Generally now, let's away Obasanjo rights. Now for the good for the country, because you talk something, you talk say before we go for a break, say Obasanjo no get right to talk because lights they always dey in house.
But I say it's not the feel waiting we
they feel. But at the same time,
but this thing when we dey feel now, now this man they talk about.
Because at the same time, the
unemployment,
no blind. Exactly.
the corruption.
The man no blind. They see what's happening for Nigeria.
He not why he not suffer? He not do 8 years. How many jobs he give people?
No.
We not talk about.
What they actually they look at that. We don't already crucify
I just
the man.
I just say
man
he not get the moral right to write some of these things the way he write them. I say to say he write them another way as a father of the nation. The problems we don't need Obasanjo to tell us say these problems dey. The problems dey.
Sir, truth.
You don't even need to dey Nigeria to say the problem dey. The nature e dey air, e dey boss, e dey.
Sir, but what will they talk?
I think Obasanjo don't even feel those problems because you know they experience am.
Confirm. What will they talk?
Me dey go to this morning now. Obasanjo go dey go to if they come pam they will clear the go to for am.
What will they talk?
But you know say people dey go.
But you know say bad road dey. You know say bad road dey. You know say light issues dey. You know say corruption dey. You know say all these things dey.
I don't want make we mix the problem of Nigeria with Obasanjo letter.
But the problem they talk about for the letter.
The problem when he talk for this letter. He talk am too late. He can't talk only when because he and the man dey quarrel.
No,
now
doctor.
Today problem with this.
Doctor, this man write am here. Say he don write 3 letters before to this same president when the man no talk. You know he go knock door for Aso Rock.
You not tell you now saying they knock door for there. They go there. You know
and some issues there before we don't even help solve. Where they know even.
Obasanjo dey solve any problem.
Any issue. All right. Now let me even look at the good part of this whole letter.
As the good part.
Yes, no summarize this letter. Look at the good part of the letter. Sir, I'm summarize this letter. Look at the good part of this letter now. Make we forget who write this letter.
Okay.
Generally, we could look at issues. We don't already talk of issues where this man tackle on top of this letter will be insecurity, and you don't even agree with us now. Say steps where our president supposed to take. He don't take.
I said not be insecurity. Now insurgency.
Yeah, exactly.
Whether war or no war.
So now we go now talk say okay because say the person will write this letter probably because he don't rule us before and he no do all these things.
He don't overrule us.
He don't okay and he no do all these things. Say make now he don't even write them out. What if we say make this man write? Me no say whoever did they get the power and the ability to tackle all these things. That's why you
defend Jonathan for you.
No, you know you defend anybody generally.
So
but at the same time,
when they talk,
yes,
you know, we say this me. When they talk, they very. I think say they very simple.
Yes.
Number one. Okay. This make I stop now.
Yes, doctor. Before you go, wetin you think say Jonathan don do so far as the Delta government when he affect the life of the common average Nigerian? When he knows say yes, so our president try, see wetin he do.
That one difficult to answer because the way Jonathan don dey do in policies dey too selective. I will explain.
Okay.
If you look the agricultural sector where he don try well, e no affect me wey come from Edo State.
Confirm.
E no affect the man wey come from Delta State. Na people wey come from north So to say I know the travel, say I drive from Lagos to Abuja. So if I drive from Lagos to Abuja, I get to pass Oyo, Ogun, Osun State, enter Ondo, enter Kogi, drive to go. So but once I reach that side, I go to see irrigation. I go see because I drive that road before too. I see the difference now. So you know, that one affect me. I'm not like to you, my brother. Okay. But I see that one. When you say affect the masses, now they talk masses. Masses now plenty more. There is larger majority who must have who they will influence, who would benefit from one thing.
Yes. And most time for Nigeria here, they refer to the poor people.
Yes.
The poor masses.
No.
Because some people
not masses.
they not agree group themselves as masses.
No, those people don't agree themselves as masses. Now the Bible tells us, for those who humble themselves shall be exalted. So if you exalt yourself, God will bring you down.
All right, sir. Based on our time.
That one I want. The final one. Now the major one when me don't see because that one affect me.
Okay.
When they travel. Now the federal highway. Now be the only thing. The only problem they get be say, however, the rate that they repair them, till they fix them, is too slow. Okay. Maybe I asked I get interview with the minister of works in Abuja some months ago, and he replied me say the extent of damage too plenty. So now, if they go from Abuja to Delta State now, they don't dualize them. They don't start from Benin. They dualize them. So as I pass the come this last Friday, so I bow. Now they don't even cut off. If they come from Abuja now, you don't need to pass inside Okene. You don't create bypass
to Delta.
They go straight towards Okbela.
Okay.
You know, so no need to pass inside Okene. No need. Just pass them. Then once you reach Auchi, cut off to top 6 lane again. Till they go up, till they go down. Then when you reach junction of Irua, you don't break again to Asaba. You know, and you reach bypass, you take express to Warri. So you know, and until that thing work like that, Benin now, the only place where bad now, which you know the bad before, now between Ijebu and the crossover to Ore, the crossover to Ondo State. As we stay here now, today so because me they live from Agodo for Lagos. Once you pass the bridge, that bridge when they go Ogun State, that Optic bridge, you see them from Redeem side now, they do them 6 lanes. I would say you know that
yes.
One. So all those ones are things, but you see those are things you're supposed to do since. Okay. But if you tell you say, while they ground,
that's why I never
fit do. But after that, if you say maybe most Nigerians give mark to this government, they go score them below 50.
But okay. Sorry, Abeg, before we go, one thing when I see for inside this talk when you talk now, you say the rate that they do, plus they call this slow. Yes. When we talk about security here, we say the way they respond, it be like say they slow. When we talk about corruption here, we say it be like say the thing too big.
You thought say it's not the best.
They say too big, so for them to handle the thing. So it means say everything for this man. They just now go slow. Oga, doctor, we go come back tomorrow. We go come back tomorrow.
Before you go to
doctor, we go come back tomorrow. Now we be moderator here. We go come back tomorrow.
You don't get children.
I get children.
You get children.
Yes.
If you get children, one will go fast, one will go slow.
Well, if
you put
them for the same motor, they drive them.
No.
But doctor,
if you put them for the same motor, they drive them. You go carry them the same time.
Slow person missing a fool. When the
pikin slow, so sometimes for place like Warri, you slap the fasting amount.
Mona slap him.
All right, we're not going to slap our president, Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki. We want to thank you for coming to this show. The show originally don't long pass the way we did because confirm because the matter na 18-page letter, and tomorrow we will come back here. We never discuss the almighty reply with Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki reply. Call her my mock reply to OBJ if I wear GEJ. Since it was the name right. Tomorrow we'll come back again. The answer question name JJ. All right, beautiful people of Nigeria, beautiful people of the world. Now Pigeon TV now day. Of course, I know say for Pigeon TV we know they put sugar for mouth, take water, take over them. The reason the matter, the way the matter be. Of course, Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki don't be here with us. The reason this matter with this letter way General Obasanjo write to GEJ, the good, the bad, and the ugly side of the letter. And of course, my name now if you worry boy.
Yes, I be John Odiete. If you they call me Big John, and our sister today here.
Dira the Diva, just call me Dira.
Confirm. All right, we will see you now, of course, tomorrow. And before we go, Dr. Don Pedro Obaseki, what will be your final words to Nigerians when they listen to us today on top this 18-page letter?
Remember the pledge to our country. And if you not like the new national anthem, also remember the old one. If you remember those words, Nigeria will be better. Nigeria will hear you. Our dear native land, where our tribe and tongue will feel different, but all of us in brotherhood.
We stand.
All right, we thank all our people who don't view us since morning on top www.pidgintv.com. Those who comment for Facebook, those who comment for Twitter. The program hot sote. We not even read our Facebook and Twitter matter, but of course we go reply on that. And make una not forget to go. If you never read the letter, when Obasanjo write to the good luck Jonathan, good man, you go read that. So that when we come tomorrow, you're not going to be novice on top of the matter. Then go, I don't tell you, say make you go check for Don Pedro Obaseki on top of Facebook. You say go see your own mock reply when he replies. So that when we talk all this matter tomorrow, when I go fish up, man, don't forget the numbers to call. That's 01-295-4343. For our people with the abroad, just remove the 0, add +234-1295-4343. We go see you now again tomorrow. On behalf of all of us for here and Pigeon TV, in Nakuna, the Tuale sign as we discharge. Back on.
Mama Bisia. How market now?
I just tired. See all my bread just there. Everything.
Mama Bisia. Where your phone?
My phone.
Yes, now Mama Bisia.
Wetin consign phone, consign market. We never said since morning.
Mama Bisia, give me your phone. Make I show you something.
Leave your boring moments to us as the new ACC Mobile TV now provides you a platform that keeps you company. As you can view over 50 foreign and local channels on any of your mobile devices, anytime and anywhere. In your workshop, your marketplace, or your office. The new ACC Mobile TV also guarantees you 24-hour videos on demand. Exclusive content from Project Fame, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Bollywood and Nollywood films.
Hey! Now be say I feel they watch all my Indian films them and Desperate Housewives. For this my phone.
Wait too. So you save the watch Desperate Housewives?
Come on from my shop.
ACC Mobile TV. TV anywhere you go.
Good afternoon. Hi. Kinda love this place. Oh my god, this is lovely. BC, what do you think? What is the problem? Oh?
It's my exam. I failed it again.
I'm sure you don't want to give that poor woman a heart attack.
No. But I don't know what to do.
See, it's the 21st century. It's as simple as ABC. Come and see. You see?
Oh yes, with the new ACC Excel application, your A and O level grades will never be the same again. All you need to do is A. Download the ACC application to any of your mobile devices, PC and laptops. B. Click on any of our 8 A and O level subjects including Geography, Government, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and English. C. Sit back, relax and enjoy your 24 hours tutorials anywhere you want it, anytime you feel like it. Now one thing is for sure, with the new ACC Excel education, the bonds of low grades in your SSCE and JAM is broken.
Very simple. So can we go back to our shopping now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Terms and conditions apply.
Pigeon TV, just the talk.